Hello, boys and girls. This is Misty Keith here, and I would like to demonstrate for you guys a math option off of that STEAM board that's out for this week. It is the activity where you are going to create a graph online. So I would like to kind of walk you through that activity and show you what that would look like. The first thing you have to do, boys and girls, is find something in your house that you could sort. So that could be Skittles. It could be a cereal. It could be some Easter eggs. It could be some jelly beans. So choose something that you can sort. You can sort obviously by color, by size, by shape, by type. And once you have sorted your material, then you can go ahead and create a graph on the computer. And that's what I'd like to show for you now. So once you've sorted, go ahead and we're going to select Google Chrome. And up here in the address bar, this tool is called Create a Graph. So I'm going to type that in. And I actually want you to choose the second one where it says Kid Zone. These are just kid-friendly graphs. And over here, you can see you can create all sorts of different types of graphs. Mr. Keith is going to show you the bar graph today. And I've kind of showed you some of these in my classroom, but I want to show it to you that you could maybe do from home. So right here, we're going to click to create a bar graph. So once you've done that, you're going to give your graph a title, and the title needs to be, your material. So if I am sorting Skittles, that would be what I would write there. If I was sorting jelly beans, that would be my title, and so on and so forth. Now your x-axis, in this case, the title, if you will, would actually be your colors, because I sorted by colors. So color of Skittles. And then my y-axis, boys and girls, would be the number of each color. So I'm just going to name it number, and we will know that that means the number of each of those colors. Now, I'm going to give my bars names as well, and the names would be the colors in this case. So red, green, yellow, whoops, sorry about that, orange, let's do purple, and let's see, the last one is, actually, I think that might be it. Now, if we do red, let's say we had a total of 10 reds in our bag. I would choose that as my value. And this over here where it says for you to change your color, that's where you can change the color of your bar. So I think it would work great if I went ahead and chose the color to match. So I'm going to choose red here. Maybe I had 5 green in my pack. Choose green. Maybe I had 8 yellow in my pack. My bar could then be yellow. These are alphabetical order, so I'm going to choose yellow. Maybe I had 6 orange. I would choose orange here, and maybe I had, 9 purple, and I would change that to purple. All right, now once I have all those things filled out, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to hit Create Printable Graph. And once I do that, I want you to look, because this is your graph of your Skittles. So over here, I can see based on my y-axis that I have 10 red, I had 5 green, 8 yellow, 6 orange, and 9 purple, and so on and so forth. Now, you could print this graph, or you could explore with another material. So boys and girls, this is called Create a Graph. It's an option on your STEAM board. And if you guys create a graph, make sure and have mom or dad take a picture and show me. I would love to see your graph and the kind of things that you guys are sorting from home. So that is essentially how to create a graph on the computer.